Jai Hind class. So today we are going to study the poem Nine Gold Medals, which is written by David Roth. So David Roth is an American rock vocalist, as in a rock singer, musician, songwriter, actor, author. So he's multi-talented, and he's best known for his wild and very energetic stage persona. He gives a very beautiful and energetic performances. He wrote this particular poem in the form of a celebration of human values, of cooperation, of compassion, empathy, fairness, and concern, and the need of these things: kindness, compassion, concern, which we have to keep alive in our hearts. So Nine Gold Medals, actually, this particular poem is is based on actual events, a true incident which happened in 1976. The event was Special Olympics. So Special Olympics, what we now call Para Olympics, that was previously used to call Special Olympics. Special Olympics are the Olympics where the athletes are these people require special needs. So special need peoples are those people who require who are physically challenged or physically disabled, as you can say, but still due to their determination, due to their this ability in them not to give up, they still compete in it. So you guys must have seen some of the photographs of people with no legs, but they have prosthetics on for running, and still they are competing in Olympics. So those they do not compete in the regular Olympics. There is a Special Olympics, which now we call Para Olympics, but previously it used to be called as Special Olympics, because it was for special needs people. So this Special Olympics was held in Spokane, Washington, in the year 1976, and this is a true incident where there was a track field 100-meter race, and there were 9 athletes from different countries, and once the race started, one of them fell down. And in order to show solidarity between between themselves and their fellow athlete who fell down, all the other athletes stopped in the tracks. They came back to help this fallen athlete again back up to his feet, and they all 9 of them reached to the end of the line, to the end of the race. They finished the race all holding hands. So it was a very beautiful, unifying moment, full of humanity and compassion, and it was a very poignant display of humanity, of human nature, of what we as people, we as humans should be doing. So David Roth wrote this poem in the form of a song. He sang this poem in the form of a song as well, and he wrote he had written this poem in the form of a poem itself. So and he was quite successful in both, because this particular poem is still celebrated to this day. So we'll go through the poem line by line, and we'll see what the poet is what David Roth is trying to tell us. So there are